Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here. My name is Gabby. I'm a product consultant at ESL, a platinum partner of Monday.com, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate to you how the update to column feature with AI automatically transfers information from the update to the columns. So let's get started. When you create an update, the AI system organizes the information into the specific columns that you've set up. Now this keeps all your instructions in one spot and just simplifies how you manage everything. Also, if you have any unique needs that aren't covered by a standard recipe, so a custom AI offers amazing flexibility because you can give it a specific instruction and it'll take care of that task just the way that you want and makes the whole experience much more personalized. Now, this feature is only accessible if you purchase the Pro or Unlimited license. Otherwise, you need to update your license or buy one. And in addition, don't forget, we make sure that the update to column is already installed on your board. So let's start. We'll go to integrations, and in the search box, we'll write update to columns. We'll scroll down a bit and we'll click on this recipe. When an update is created, use AI to match columns. We'll click add board, close this window, and we'll go to add view, click on apps and choose explore more apps. In the search box, you'll write update to columns and you'll choose the right option. Now here you can see the columns that are specific to the board you're on right now, and you're going to write your instructions to the AI over here. So the text that I'll write in the column item name is going to appear in the item name. My instruction is the text that follows the word applicant name. We'll click save and we'll go back to the main table. And in the update, I will write applicant name, Gabriella Baton, click update, close this window. Now, my item name is going to change to Gabriella Baton. We'll wait for the automation to start running. And here you have it right there. We'll go back to our AI and I'll give it a new instruction for the column company name. Text between company name and LTD is going to be exported to the column company name. Click save, go back to main table, to our update, and the text I'm going to write is company name ESL LTD. We'll click update, close this window. Now, the text between company name and LTD will be exported to the column company name, which is ESL. There you have it. We'll go back to update to columns to our AI, and I'll give a new instruction to the column status. If you find the word position, the result will be valid, otherwise invalid. Let's click save, go back to main table, and in the update, my text will be position SDR. Click update, exit. Now we have the word position, so my status will be changed to valid. Automation is running, and here we have it. We'll go back to our AI, and I will give it a new instruction for person. The second email you find, click save, go back to main table, to the update. Now, I will enter two different emails, click update, and it's going to choose the second email to the column person. Automation is running, and here it's changed to Gabby. Now notice that the status has changed to invalid because I didn't enter the text for position based on the instructions provided to the AI. Okay, so when a certain key information is missing, like the position, the system will automatically update the status to invalid. Let's go back to our AI. And my last instruction for date is the first date you find, push it by 3 days. We'll click save, go back to main table, And the date I'm going to write is February 8th, 2023. Now remember, the instruction is to push it by 3 days. That means that the date will be February 11th. Let's wait for the automation. Takes a few moments. Let's see if it will be pushed by 3 days. Yep, February 11th. Okay, so now you can also combine everything in one go. We have all the instructions all set. We'll go to the update. And here is all our text in one go. Click update. And we'll wait for the automation to start running. Let's see if the item name will be changed to Gabriela Baton. Takes a few moments sometimes. Here we go. Great, yeah, here we have it. ESL, valid, the date that's been pushed into 3 days, and that's it. So with just a few steps, you can set up the AI to automatically update your columns based on specific instructions. Thank you so much for watching, and happy automating!